Hello, my name is Greg Clark. I'm a WikiTree member and an app developer. And right now, I would like to share with you an exciting new tool that Florian Straub, also known as the Flominator on Discord, has built for us to use, along with the Antonati Citation Builder app. So, the tool that he built is called a bookmarklet, like a bookmark, but it's a little bookmark, so a bookmarklet. And I've put the code to it right at the bottom of the Citation Builder app. So if you scroll to the bottom, there's now a new section there that has the bookmarklet code, which you can just copy, and then you can install it. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. In fact, I'm going to show you how to do it twice, once with Google Chrome and once with Safari. And if you use a different browser, then you follow the same sort of steps and it will work. The exact locations and keystrokes might be slightly different, but you'll get the idea after seeing it twice. When we are done recording this and it's been uploaded to YouTube, then this link here at the bottom will be active, so you can replay this video again to watch it one more time. So the first step is to copy the code. And now what we're going to do is we're going to turn that into a bookmark. So in Chrome, the easiest way to make a bookmark is just actually hit the little star here, and that'll create a bookmark of the page you're on. Which might seem like a strange thing to do, but what we're going to do is we're going to tweak it. So I'm going to call this new bookmark the Antonati app, and I'm just going to use Ant as a short form. And I'm going to put it in my bookmark bar because that is the list of bookmarks that automatically appear at the top of my browser. Now, you may have that bookmark bar set up differently, or you may want to put it somewhere else. If you have a genealogy folder, you could stick it in there, but I put it in the bookmark bar, so it's going to be very quick to access, and you'll see why in a moment. So I'm going to hit done, and now I've got a new bookmark, but it's over here. See, it's down because I've got too many bookmarks in that favorite bar already. So it's now off the edge. So I'm going to edit my bookmarks, and to do that with Chrome, or at least this version of Chrome, I go to the bookmark manager. And so I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to drag the Antonati app one right up to the top. Okay, and I'm going to hit this to go to edit. And instead of the URL, which was the page I was on, which is automatically captured by default, I'm going to erase that, and I'm going to paste in the code that came from that text box. And then I'm going to hit save. Okay, so I can close the bookmark manager now. And now you can see there is the link to the bookmarklet. So it's all set to go. So let me show you how it works in action. So here we are. Yesterday I added Gaetano Carpino to the WikiTree. And I had information about his parents, who were Michele Carpino and Maria Raffaella Spadafora. In fact, I had their birth and their wedding information. So, and here's the link, direct link to Antonati. So I could open that up, and there it is, and all the details. So I've extracted all the information from his birth announcement and put it here in the biography. Michele was born at 4 in the evening, the 8th of January, blah, 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 who his parents were, and when his birth was registered. So now the only thing that's left to make this a complete piece of information is, instead of just this raw link hanging out there, we want an actual citation. So if we go over to the Antonati website, this is where we got the information from. Normally with this Antonati citation builder, you would have to copy the URL, go over here, paste it in, and then start doing all the other stuff. But now that we have this bookmarklet set up by Florian for us, we can do the first two steps there automatically by clicking that. It's going to automatically open up a new version of the citation builder. It pre-fills in the URL, and before I can even start typing the other information that I need, like, what was that? It was 33, and it was Atto 2. See, look at the app has already found out all that other stuff. It's waiting for me. And I think this is on the left side of the page. So, hit the compile, hit copy, and then I go back to my Wikitree, and I just paste in the reference right there. I could hit preview just to convince myself that it looks all pretty. There it is. It's all there. Birth of Michele Carpino. And so I don't really need this extra piece down here, so I can get rid of that original link because it's now encoded inside the source citation anyway. So there we go. Source citation. Oops. Added for birth. Boom. And there we have it. The full information about his birth, all those juicy details, and a beautifully formatted source citation from Antonati. Okay, so let's do the same thing over in Safari. So I'm going to switch to Safari now. And again, if we go to the bottom of the citation now, there's the code for the bookmark lib. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to create a bookmark. So I'm going to hit add bookmark. And I'm going to do this, I'm going to call it the same thing, Ant app. And open up Antonati citation app with URL preloaded. Okay, so now in here, to edit that, I have to go to Edit Bookmarks. And I want to put this one in my is it in my it's in my favorites already, so but I'm just going to drag it up to the beginning again because I like that. And then I'm going to edit the address. And instead of using that address, I'm going to paste in the code for the bookmarklet, hit enter, and then it should be good to go. So if I close this out now, okay, so there's Maria Raffaella Spadafora, the Gaetano's mother. There's her information. There's the biography, all the information about her birth, and that came directly from this page from Antonati. There's Maria Raffaella, all that stuff there. So now I'm just going to click on the bookmarklet, and what it should do is automatically open up. There it is. It's preloaded the URL, and before I can even finish typing Spadafora, it's already preloaded the other stuff. And the year was 35. Atto was 70. Image was 3742. And this is on the right side, left side. Oopsie. Left side. Copy citation. Go back to here. We'll edit. Paste the citation in, get rid of this extra line because it's already embedded in the citation, and we can say source citation added for birth info. Boom. And look at that. Beautiful. But the cool thing, the really cool thing is no matter where you are, say we open to this page, well, that's kind of a strange page to open up to, but anyways, one click of this opens up the citation builder, preloads the URL, which automatically retrieves the information from the website. So it makes creating the citations even quicker and easier. So thank you very much, Florian, for sharing that with us. And I hope the rest of you find this as much fun to use as I do. Thanks very much. Take care.